this video, I will show you how to use websites like JSTOR or Sage journals to reference. So first, you're going to want to find your journal that you want to use. And on these websites, you will see that a majority of them have a button that says Cite this item or Cite. Just click on it. Pretty simple. You can copy the citation, and you can just paste it into your work. We'll give this a title. We'll do Works Cited, and then we'll just get one more for an example. And then same thing here. You look for the citation button, and you make sure it's on the correct format. Do copy to clipboard, and if you decide to use a reference manager, you can also put in the correct format here and download the citation. So I'm just going to go here and paste it in just the same. We can see that they come with different formats. So I'll show you how you can make this into a bibliography that looks like this. The first thing you're going to want to do is highlight the entire text and go to Format and click on Paragraph. Under Paragraph, you're going to go into Indentation, and under Special, you're going to want to click Hanging. It will automatically put in a number for you, and you can just click OK. We're going to want to make it the correct format for our thesis, and it is already in alphabetical order, as you can see, Bordeaux and then widths. But if you want to make it alphabetical, again, the same thing would just be up here, paragraphs, text, and ascending. And that's it. That's all you need to do. But if you want to make it a in-text citation, the same thing we've been showing you in the rest of the slides. You're just going to create brackets, put in the author's last name and the year that this was published. And you want to be careful that you don't use this accessed as your year. You want to use the year that it was published. And that's it. And this is the same thing for widths. Oops. And then if you want to add it to the page, well, that wouldn't be right. Let's do this. And that's all you have to do for in-text citation and using JSTOR or any other academic website.